Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Chrome. Then access background apps. In order to do that with 3 keys navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on this icon next to 3 dots at the top right corner and click on the other app, like Play Store. As you can see, finally, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!